So, class, what motivates you to come to school?
Well, what?
Are you trolling? That's like asking what motivates you to get shot in the groin. Or like what motivates me to pay taxes, which we don't learn about here anyway. Are we actually supposed to be motivated to be here?
If that were true, I'd bring my brain with me.
Well, it motivates me to get a job as a factory worker.
Calm down, dude. You were headed there anyway.
Class, this is a legitimate question. What is your motivation to come to school?
Okay.
Recess.
Chilling in the bathroom during class. To pull pranks, because why not?
To use the homework I get as fire starters for a barbecue.
Catch up on my sleep.
To look at you and be reminded what not to be when I grow up. I'd say to study, do my classwork, and to learn.
Who let that kid in here?
Okay, now that you've all recognized your motivations to be here, use it. Embrace it. To do this.
We have been bamboozled.